Today is a great day of Diwali. That means today is a great day. Lights of your heart together to make a greater light for the world to move in a proper direction. It's a day of great joy. And those who join in this are spreading also great joy. But the problems are there, as they say. But for us, there is no problem because there is no darkness. We don't see any darkness anywhere. We see lights and lights and lights. Then what is the thing missing? Missing is our sincerity. We have to be very sincere with ourselves. Because it is not just a borrowed love or a borrowed joy, but it is from within the source. It's flowing and flowing. So that is to be awakened. And that love should flow. And our small petty things like jealousies and competitions and all those things which spoil us must be washed away. And it can be washed if your heart is full of love. Today is a day of spreading love, light of love, so that everybody feels enlightened and happy and forgets his petty problems. I am happy that you have been able to get some hall. It's all luck that we got it. People were so much worried about getting a hall. But it had just happened. So we should know also that our destinies are also guided and looked after. We are already blessed people. There's no doubt about it. And we should not worry about small things and small matters. It will all work out very well, you will see. If you just leave it to your destiny, which is very high, very great, with this your own destiny, you will go very far. This is the promise of Diwali to you all, that you will reach highest and the noblest way of life. Every word I say will be there to prove what I say is there. Whatever petty problems you have, they'll all be washed off. All these are the messages from the divine. You don't have to worry about petty things, about money, about jobs. That's not your job. Your destiny will work it out. You have a promise that you will be looked after. I hope you believe in that promise and are joyous in the highest way. I bless you all from my heart, all of you, for a very happy and prosperous Diwali. Thank you very much.